In this video, we are going to treat Lagos State Bece Mathematics Theory 2018. And the number 1 question says, number 1a, solve the equation 2a plus 1 over 4 equals to a plus 5 over 6, leaving your answer in mixed fraction. Then to solve this, we have to write the question back. 2a plus 1 over 4 equals to a plus 5 over 6. The next thing we need to do is what? We need to cross multiply. So once we cross multiply, it will be 6 into bracket 2. Cross multiply. Let's put it here so that you can understand. Cross multiply. Then it will now 6 into bracket 2a plus 1 equals to 4 into bracket a plus 5. Therefore, let's open the bracket. 6 times 2a, that's 12a. 6 times 1 plus 6 equals to 4 times a is 4a plus 4 times 5 is 20. Get it? So collect like times. You collect like times. Those that are like go to one side, and those that are like go to the other side. 12a. This one cross this equals to the other side to come and meet 12. It will become minus. Since it's plus 4a here, once it comes here, it becomes minus 4a equals to 20. This 6 will come here. It's plus 6, but once it comes here, it cross to this other side, it becomes minus 6. Therefore, 12a minus 4a, that's what? 8a. 20 minus 6 is 14. Therefore, we now divide both sides by 8. Become what? 8a over 8 equals to 14 over 8. 8 cancel 8. Therefore, a equals to 14 over 8. And they said we should leave our answer in mixed fraction. So we have to convert this into a mixed fraction. And you know how to convert into mixed fraction. 8 in 14 is 1. 1 remainder what? Remainder 3. So 8 in 14 is 1. Then to get the remainder, we have to minus 8 from 14. So 14 minus 8 is 6. So 6, one row number, 6 over 8. You return back the denominator. So we have converted our answer to a mixed fraction. So the next question, 1b says, calculate the simple interest on 60,000 naira for 3 years at 5% per annum. Then let's solve the question. Then to their principal will be 60,000 naira. The time is 3 years. The rate is 5%. Don't forget the formula that is used to calculate the simple interest. The simple interest SI equals to the principal times rate times time over 100. So our principal is what? 60,000 times our rate is what? Our rate is 5. Our time is what? 3 over 100. Then 0 cancel 0. 0 cancel 0. So our SI unit we have here now equal to 600 times 5 times 3. So once you multiply 600 times 5 times 3, you get 9,000. So 9,000 over 1, and 9,000 divided by 1 is what? Is 9,000. So our SI unit, our simple interest is what? Is 9,000 naira. That's the end of this question. So the next question says the body mass of a man is S kg. The body mass of his 2 children are 5/6 and 4/5 of their father. express the children's masses in terms of x. B. If the difference between the masses of the children is 2.3 kg, find the mass of the father. So let's calculate it. Let's make the mass of the father is x kg. The mass of the first child is what? 5/6 of x. The mass of the second child is 4/6 of x. So A, it says express the children masses in terms of x. Therefore, we need to add the children masses together. That's 5/6 of become multiplication times x plus 4/6 times x. That become 5x/6 plus, so sorry, it's 4/5. 4/5 of their father, not 4/6. So it's 4/5. 4/5 of x. 4 and 4/5. 5/5 and 4/5. 5/6 and 4/5 of their father. That's what? 5/6 and 4/5. So plus 4x/5. So let's continue. That's what this a. So let's calculate the LCM of the denominators. So the LCM is 30. 6 in 30 is 5. 6 in 30 is 5. So let me write it out here so that you can see it. 5x/6 plus 4x/5. The LCM is 30. 6 in 30 is 5. 5 times 5x, that's 25x. Plus 5 in 30 is 6. 6 times 4x is what? Is 24x. Abi? So 25x plus 24x give 49x/30. So the children 49x/30 kg. So 2b says if the difference between the masses of the children is 2.3 kg, find the mass of the father. So to find the mass of the father, we have to find the difference. So we have to write it out. 5x/6 minus 4x/5. So the equation will be equals to 2.3 kg, because it says if the difference between the masses of the children is 2.3 kg, find the mass of the father, and the father is x. So we are going to minus the first child from the second child, and it will be equals to 2.3 kg. So the LCM is what? Is 30. 6 in 30 is 5. 5 times 5x is 25x. Minus 5 in 30 is 6. 6 times 4 is what? 24x. Equals to 2.3 kg. Then 25x minus 24x is what? x/30 equals to 2.3. Then I cross multiply over 1, since it doesn't have a denominator. So you cross multiply. X equals to 30 times 2.3. Therefore x equals to 69 kg. Therefore, the mass of their father is 69 kilogram, because their father is X. Therefore, the mass of their father will be what? 69 kg. So this is the end of question 2. The next question says a cylindrical tank for storing oil has a capacity of 1078 meter cube. If its height and its radius are equal, calculate the depth of oil in the tank when full. The depth is also equals to the height. So to calculate the depth, that means you are looking for the height. And they said the height and the radius are equal. That means the h equals to r. And let's write out our values. The volume is equal to 1080 meter cube. Our height is equal to our radius, but it is unknown. And our pi is 22/7. So the volume is pi r squared. That's the volume of a cylinder. So let's continue. Therefore, let's make h subject of the formula. Making h subject of formula, you divide h on both sides. Divide pi r squared on both sides. So once I divide pi r squared on both sides, it becomes divided by pi r squared divided by pi r squared. So pi r squared cancel pi r squared. Therefore, h equals to v over pi r squared. So this is what we use to get the depth of oil in the tank when full. So h equals to v over pi r squared. Then our v is what? Our v is 1078 over 22/7 is pi. Our radius is unknown. Our radius is what? X squared. And our h also is x. So our h also will become x. So x equals to 10878 over 22/7 times x squared. They said the h, height and the radius are the same. So if h is x, therefore r will also be what? X. Therefore, x equals to 1078 over 22x squared over 7. So let's cross multiply. 22x squared over 7 times x equals to 1078. Therefore, become 22x cubed. X squared times x become 2 plus raised power 1 that is here to become x raised to power 3 over 7. 1078. Then we cross multiply again. This one is the one since it doesn't have a denominator. Become 22x cubed. 22x cubed. So let me write cross multiply here so that you can understand. So it will be equals to 22x cubed times 1 is 20x equals to 7 times 1078. So it becomes 22x cubed equals to divided. So it gives 7546. Therefore, x cubed. Let's now divide both sides by 22. X cubed equals to 7546 over 22. Therefore, 746 divided by 22. So x cubed equals to 343. Then we will carry if it's raised to power 3 here, Once you come to the other side, it will become cube root of this number, cube root of 343. So once it comes here, it will come x equals to cube root of 343, and it will become x equal to cube root of 7 times 7 times 7. 7 times 7 times 7 is 343. Once you check your multiplication table, once you multiply 7 in 3 places together, it will give you 343. So x equals to what? Cube root of 7 raised to power 3. 7 raised to power 3 is 343. Therefore, 7 raised to power 3, this 3 will cancel this one. Therefore, x equals to 7. Therefore, our age is 7 meter and our radius is 7 meter. That is the end of that question. So the 3b says find the value of y in the figure below. 30 degree, y degree, 2y degree, and this place is angle on the angle, right angle. So right angle has a value of 90 degree. An angle at a point is 360. Therefore, we need to add this thing together. 2y plus 30 plus y plus 90 equals to 360. Let's rearrange. 2y plus y plus 90 plus 30 equals to 360. 2y plus y is 3y. 90 plus 30 is 120 equals to 360. Then let me move this one to the other side. Collect like times. 3y equals to 360 minus 120. Why? This one will come to this other side. It will be plus 120 here, but when it comes here, when cross over, it becomes minus 120. Therefore, 3y equals to 240. Then we divide both sides by 3. It becomes 3y over 3 equals to 240 over 3. 3 cancel 3. Therefore, y equals to 240 over 3. Therefore, y equals to, so we have to divide by 3. 3 in 240. That's what? 3 here 1. 3 in 24. That's 8. Abi? So that means y is what? 80 degree. So that's the end of this question. The last question for this theory of year 2018 says the table below is the color of cars used in a particular school. We have black, blue, cream, multicolor, red, white and yellow. Black is 10, blue is 9, cream is 14, multicolor is 7, red is 8, white is 15 and yellow is 14. So the first question says how many cars are in the school? To know the total cars that are in the school, we have to add all these numbers together. It becomes 10 plus 9 plus 12 plus 7 plus 8 plus 15 plus 14. Then once you add all these numbers together, you get 75. So the total number of cars in the school is 75. B says draw a bar chart to represent the data. So let's draw a bar chart. So let me put it in interval of 5. So let's put it in interval of 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So in these colors, number of cars. The first color is black. and black is 10. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Abi? So to be like this. Black. The next one is blue, and blue is 9. This is 9. The next one is cream. Cream is 12. 10, 11, 12. The next one is multicolor. Multicolor is 7. 5, 6, 7. Multicolor. The next one is red. Red is 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. The next one is 15. That's white. This 15 here. That's white. The next one is yellow. Yellow is 14. This 14 here. So yellow is what? 14. So let's go to letter C. It said identify the popular color. The popular color is one that has the highest number. So the popular color is what? White. Popular color is white. Then D, it says the statistical name for the popular color is called dash. In statistics, the highest occurring number is called mode. So the highest number here is white. So white is called what? The statistical name for the white color is what? Mode. Because in statistics, the highest occurring number is called mode. Letter E says find the probability of selecting the popular color. In probability, the formula for probability is what? Number of events over total number of possible outcome. Number of events is what? We are talking about, we are saying find the probability of selecting the popular color, and the popular color is white. So the number of events is what? 15. Because 15 is the number of cars for white, and white is the popular color. The total number of possible outcome is what? 75. Remember 4A. When we are adding all the numbers together, the total numbers was what? 75. So it's what? 15 over 75. Let's divide to reduce the number. 15 here 1, 15 here 5. So the probability is now what? 1 over 5. So that's the end of the question. And don't forget to subscribe to get notified of our latest tutorial videos. Thank you. And click on the bell button to get notifications anytime we upload new tutorial videos.